Hello, I am Parita Pathak, Certified Autography Mentor from Ahmedabad. First of all, I want to talk about autography because there is still a lack of awareness among students and parents regarding its importance. Autography is not only a handwriting improvement course, but it is a course that adds value to your personality. Autography as a profession gave me an opportunity to interact students with diverse background and to all age group. Currently, I am teaching autography to school children and to UPSC GPSC aspirants as well. This profession is very much convenient for me with respect to time and course fees. I am teaching in both online and offline modes. In addition to the flexibility of timings, there is no other burden or pressure of completing any target. I would like to thank Team Autography as the whole team is very supportive and cooperative. I encourage everyone to join our autography family. Thank you.